Hi guys, today I will explain how to find realistic voices in ElevenLabs. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to the main website of ElevenLabs and sign in your account. And as you can see, I already do both things. Now time to check the real voice overs. For this we have few ways. The first one is take a look on the left side. You can see the option of voices. Just click on it. And here are the voices. And all of these voices are for different purpose, and each voice is professional. These are not robotic. Let me play a single one so you can hear it.
To bring anything into your life, imagine that it's already there.
After hearing the voice, maybe you realize it's not robotic. If I scroll down, you will find a lot of different voices. But these voices are not enough. If you look up, you can see the option library. Click on it. Here you will find more professional voices. Over here, you can see a tag of professional voice. And these are the tags. You can search for your specific accent, like you want the accent which are good in conversational. All these voiceover are only for conversational video. And these are the professional voice. Maybe you cannot use it in your free plan, but if you can use, then it will be better. Let me play a single one so you can hear it.
Well begun is half done.
These voices are really good. Now, if you want to use, then here, you can see the option of Add to My Voice. Just click on it, and then click on the option Use. Then, you can use this voice over for your purpose. If you want to use ElevenLabs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. And it was the way by which you can get realistic voices this in ElevenLabs.